Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Leans up to you right here, teaching you some practical Hakka with the help of Alice, of course. And a lot of times we can't find physical things, but also we can't find our way. We're lost. 迷路了，也会说找不到，对不对？
对啊，找不到路哎。
对，除了找不到自己的身边的物品之外，也有可能找不到路。今天就来教这样子的状况。
好啊。
找不到怎么说呢？
找不到。
找不到。Okay, 找不到 means can't find it, but today we can't find our way. So let's put you in this scenario where you need directions because you're lost. 你迷路了吗？
冲这位黑毛。
冲这位黑毛。哎，冲这就是迷路的意思吗？
对。
哦，这个没教过。This is a very new phrase. It just means I'm lost. I need directions, right? I'm lost. 迷路。冲这 OK 那可能在路上如果你这样东张西望可能有路人好心的会来问啊你迷路了吗
对你迷路了吗你在找什么吗
所以呢当然就问咯是啊我找不到这间饭店 I can't find this hotel
嘿啊
我
找不到
那
间饭店
那间饭店饭店 that means a hotel 饭店
对那海陆腔呢饭店
哦饭店 OK 一个是饭一个是饭
对
Okay, two different dialects for saying a hotel. I can't find this hotel. 其实有时候在问路的时候，其实已经快到了啦。
就在前面右转。
OK， 就我们假设啦，就是前面右转就是了哈。我们这位路人就会说：“哎呀，前面右转就是啦。It's just in front on the right.”
跳千万真数片出黑啦
跳千万真数片出黑啦 OK 跳千就是前面嘛就像头前那样子up front 然后 vat 是转 OK make a turn 然后接下来你说
真数片出黑啦或者可以说 U 数片出黑啦
U 数片出黑啦 Alright 前面右转就是了嘛哈 Let's review all these phrases such as getting lost 迷路冲走 and then a hotel 饭店 and then let's teach you left and right starting with the right 右手边真数片
或者U 数片
U 数片 That's right two ways of saying right hand side and it's all about finding your directions this edition but it's can't find alright 找不到
找不到
and now you know hopefully you'll be able to get to your destination faster when you know these Hakka phrases that does today's practical Hakka
什么太嘎
安子 say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council